Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving into something that truly defines luxury, performance, and modern sophistication, the 2025 Jaguar XF. From its sharp design lines to its advanced technology, the new XF represents a blend of British elegance and dynamic power that few sedans can match. Let's start with the way it looks. The 2025 Jaguar XF carries forward the brand's signature design language, but it's been refined even more. Sleek LED headlights, a more sculpted front grille, and clean, flowing lines from front to back give the XF a low, aggressive, yet classy stance. It's the kind of car that turns heads not by being flashy, but by being confidently different. Jaguar has always excelled at making cars that look like they're in motion even while standing still, and the XF is no exception. Under the hood, Jaguar offers a range of powertrains, but the highlight is the refined 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering up to 296 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the XF delivers a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. Acceleration is quick, overtaking is effortless, and the handling is sharp and precise. It manages to feel both sporty and comfortable, a rare combination that only a few premium sedans manage to pull off. Step inside, and the XF surrounds you with luxury. The cabin is a quiet sanctuary, insulated from road noise, with premium materials everywhere you look. Soft-touch leather, aluminum accents, and a minimalist dashboard design create a calm, modern atmosphere. The 11.4-inch curved touchscreen is the center of attention, powered by Jaguar's Pivi Pro infotainment system. It's responsive, intuitive, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice commands, navigation, and over-the-air updates are all part of the experience, ensuring the XF stays current even after you drive it off the lot. One of the secrets of the XF is how driver-focused it feels. Everything from the seating position to the steering wheel design puts you in control, while still making you feel pampered. The seats offer both heating and cooling, multiple adjustment options, and even massage features in higher trims. And for those sitting in the back, the legroom and comfort levels are just as impressive, making the XF a true luxury car for both drivers and passengers. Safety is also a major highlight in the 2025 XF. Jaguar has equipped it with a suite of advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 3D surround camera system. It's not just about protection, it's about confidence, giving you the tools to stay aware and in control at all times. In a world dominated by SUVs, the 2025 Jaguar XF is a refreshing reminder of how powerful and elegant a luxury sedan can be. It's not trying to be everything for everyone. It's made for those who appreciate design, driving, and distinction. If you're looking for a car that speaks softly but carries a big presence, the XF might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching Autocars Play. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car stories.